What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Pause by juice-wrld. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else I'll double disco kick your wiener dog into a bowl of sausage dip. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new guitar, so if you want to find out how you can enter to win, stick around to the end of the video, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, so this song is in standard tuning and it's got one little riff that just repeats throughout the entire song. As always, if you need the guitar tab, you can find that in the video description, as well as the free ebook titled Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Both of those are in the video description, so once you get done with the video, jump down there, they'll be there for you. We're gonna start with our ring finger on the 4th fret of the D string, your index finger on the 2nd fret of the G string, and your pinky finger on the 4th fret of the high E string. And now you're gonna be picking twice on D, high E, and then G. And that's the same picking pattern through all of these. So twice, E, and G. And then here, I use my index finger and I bar all 4 strings. And then on the 2nd fret, so bar all 4 strings on the 2nd fret, starting on your D string, and then pick the same strings the same way. So twice on D, high E, and then G. And then take everything off and just put your index finger on the 2nd fret of the G string and pick the exact same way. And then all together slowly, it sounds like. There you have it, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please click that like button. You can click here for how you can win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.